Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be part-time. It is paying $25 an hour, and it also is offering paid training. We are going to dive all in. The links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Real quickly, I just want to say that sharing is always caring. I normally don't ask anything of my viewers, but I do just want to quickly say that if you find any of the job leads that I share helpful, if you are enjoying this channel, please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life with that great work-life balance. My goal with this channel is to truly be helpful to someone and be that person that I needed years ago when I was struggling as a single mom to balance everything, and I was trying to weed out the scams and really just find work-from-home jobs that would work with my schedule. So get the word out so that these videos can help someone. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the education company Pearson. They are hiring a remote rater. Now, this is a work from home for my United States folks only, but Pearson is basically seeking experienced ESL, or English as a second language, teachers to work as raters for their spoken English test. Their tests are fully automated and scored with speech recognition technology, but collecting human ratings is an integral part of their test development and validation process. So basically, they're people who are taking the test speak for the test, and then AI or automated computerized robots kind of score that test, but then they want you to listen to them also and give your own human score so they can see how their computer system is doing. They are offering people to work flexible hours completely from home. They want someone who can work at least 15 hours a week rating, and of course the first project's going to begin in early June of 2023. So here in May, they are collecting applications. It does say that these are temporary projects. Most projects last about 2 months or so. They're going to pay training as well as all of your actual hours. Training and hours are paid at the rate of $25 an hour. Now, it does say candidates have to pass the training session to qualify for the projects. And because this is a part-time position, there are no benefits associated with that. All right, if this job lead was not your thing, that is absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and try to keep that in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share, but I can only share the job leads that I find that companies actually have open. So it's not that I'm ignoring anybody's request. I do have a list of them and I keep them in my mind in case I see anything. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.